Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Calculation of alcohol concentration is done by Widmark formula. For blood, Widmark formula is A is equal to PCR. A is weight of alcohol in grams, P is weight of body in kgs, C is concentration of alcohol in blood, R is constant, that is 0.68 in males and 0.55 in females. This is for blood. And for urine, weight of alcohol in grams, that is A, is given as A is equal to 3 by 4 of PRQ. Here P is weight of body in kgs, R is constant, Q is alcohol concentration in the urine. So this will give us about the concentration or weight of alcohol which is consumed in grams.
thank you and thank you for watching.